Good morning, it's Christine from Periwinkle Planner Co. And today I'm going to be planning for the last week of March, and part of that week starts April. So I have the kit here, the digital printable compact vertical A5 kit from our shop. You can find this one still at periwinkleplannerco.etsy.com, but it's also in our new digital only shop at sagestickercompany.etsy.com. So this is the one that I want to use. And then here is the planner that I have been using for March. I haven't shown this one much on the on my channel because I was still decorating in the coil bound A5 compact vertical, but this is the one that I made myself using just the ring loose leaf paper, loose leaf lined paper. So this is, I clip my stickers in here, and then here's just the first page of that paper. And here's the month that I used the sticker kit from our shop, but then I also drew the month out. This whole thing I was trying to kind of make my own Franken planner because I have two different, I have the compact vertical and the daily duo set up in here, and I wanted to make it flow more cohesively instead of just having the two planners stuck together. So I had the month, and then it goes into the first week of the compact vertical, which then flows into the first week of the daily duo. So we need to decorate way back here. I already have, oh, you know what? I didn't realize that I do already have this one set up. Do I have the wrong dates on it, and that's why? Okay, I guess maybe I don't need to do this. I have it right here, and I don't know why I didn't know that. Okay, it's set up already. I guess maybe, I don't even know why I printed another one out. Maybe this video is nonsense. Wow. Month of April. Maybe that's what I need to be filming here. Did I not film this setup? Maybe I didn't even film this setup. Well, anyway, this is what I would do. I would take this sticker kit and put it onto these pages just like I did here. And, you know, fill in some plans. Like I put my bills over here, which I did. So I guess we can fill some of this in. Let's see what's going on here. This would be orders for this week. So I write orders over here. And then I list the ones that I'm going to be making. So that's usually what that square is for. And then we go back to the month of March and see if anything's going on that day, on the 27th. No plans. I do have to pay one bill, so I'm going to put that down here too. I guess I'm using my, I have that in here somewhere, my stencil, which is right here. Use my little stencil to put a circle there. Check off circle. So that's that one. I have another bill that comes out on the last day right here. This is my auto pay bill. How would you? AP. List that one. And then these other ones are all due on the 1st. So I think we're going to pay them here on Thursday. So that's, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 on this day. So I'm going to do, so I don't take up that much room. I think I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll just write kind of small. And we'll write the pay right here. Then I forgot, there's one more I have to pay. Maybe I'll list it with this one too. And we'll do that same thing where we use the line for 2 of them. forgot about this one bill here. And then this other one's due on the 4th, which is Monday, Tuesday. So that one can be paid on Monday. So we can make that one go ahead. This one, we're just going to put a little arrow on it because that would be next week. All right, so we have all the bills listed to pay. On Wednesday, I changed all the bedding. So we're going to put that here. And I'm going to do a little bit different lettering here. And then this is going to be, I don't know if it's a recycle day. Let's look back again. On the 30th, no. This is just garbage out or garbage day. That day. Anything else going on? This is April. Yes, it is. So that's not floors. I think that might be pretty much it, huh? Yeah, okay, so we're gonna have this here, and then these would be my dailies. So I did this already set up too, and I used the same sticker kit, plus some of these other stickers from my personal stash for the weather. And I just put them in different ways. I guess I was showing you different ways that they could be used, because this one's got a box, this one doesn't. Usually I make these 2 pages match, but I didn't here. Plus I added that sticker. Hey, there goes my voice. And then we have, these ones are pretty close together. Kind of like this setup. Yeah, it's doing the Daily Duo on a plain sheet of notebook lined paper, and using these stickers in more than one way, because with buying them for digital download, you can use them for anything. It doesn't have to be just the compact vertical. So then you have Friday and Saturday and Sunday, and then you have kind of like the notes page, or this could be for, I usually brain dump things that have to go on this current week. Some people use this as a proceeding to the next week. You could do it whichever way you want to do it. Now I actually did order the A5 ring daily inserts from the warehouse sale, because now that they're 60% off, I'm not sure how long that 60% off is lasting. If it still is going on when this airs, I will make a note of that for you with a link. If it's not, I'm sorry you missed it, but I bought the 2023 set of the dailies to finish out this year, and I figured I can always redate them for other times when I want them or use them for other things. At 60% off, it's a great time to try a different type of layout. I hadn't bought any for 2023, so I had just been using leftovers that I had from last year and even the year before, and then this plain notebook. But I thought I like the structure, so I decided to purchase them for the rest of the year. So then after this March 2nd, this is going to be where the month of April goes, and that's what I have here next. So this is how the compact vertical for the last week of March, April turned out. Until next time, bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to be notified every single time that we upload. Bye. We'll see you in the next one.